Are you going to look for a PPT presentation kit for ISO 37001 training? This is the ISO 37001 to 2016 PPT training kit's description. ISO 37001 Awareness and Auditor Training Kit aims to provide the users complete knowledge and understanding of anti-bribery management system and its requirements, risk management, internal audit process, documentation and other relevant topics. This training kit contains more than 260 editable PPT slides which address all elements of an anti-bribery management system. This is what the ISO 37001 PPT presentation kit includes. PPT presentation, handouts, workshops and case study, audit checklist, audit forms, sample certificate. This is what the PPT presentation kit has to offer. You can easily customize the PPT slides and also add audio in the simple English language. Saves time and cost of training. The soft copy of the presentation and handouts are given, hence modification or editing is quite easy. This training kit is created under the guidance of experts having rich experience of consulting, training and auditing for ISO 37001 based anti-bribery management system. Feel free to contact us at sales@punyamacademy.com or go to www.punyamacademy.com for more information.